Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the S2KP, which is also known as the center double decrease because it does not lean left nor leans right, but we also decrease 2 stitches at a time. Now this can also be confused for the S2K, which I do have a tutorial explaining exactly what that is and how we do it. If you want to go check out that tutorial, I'll make sure it is linked down in the description box or in the comments for easy access. Before we actually work the stitch, we need to know exactly what these letters stand for. So I do have it written out so that you can follow along a little bit easier, but in knitting, the S typically stands for slip. So with a 2 behind the S means that we are going to slip 2 stitches knitwise. Then the K in knitting usually stands for knit, so we are going to knit 1 stitch. Now this one, the P, is a little confusing because most of the time in knitting when you see a P, it means purl. But in this case, it means pass. So what that means is we are going to pass the 2 stitches that we slipped here over top of the knit stitch that we made. So we'll be passing these 2 stitches over top of that knit stitch. You got it? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start working what the S2KP is. The first thing that we need to do is slip 2. Now you can either slip these 2 knitwise like such, or you can slip them individually. Again, we are going to slip 2 stitches knitwise, so 1 and 2. And then now the next stitch, we are going to knit that stitch. And now we are going to take these 2 stitches that we slipped and we're going to pass them over top of that knit stitch that we made as such. And again, this gives you a center decrease, so you can actually see now where I have already done one before the tutorial. And here is the one that we just did. You can see it does not lean left nor leans right. So again, one more time, we need to slip 2 stitches knitwise. So to go knitwise, we will go from left to right, working into that front loop. So I'm going from left to right here with my knitting needle in the back, so it kind of makes an X. So I'm going to slip that to my right hand knitting needle, slip the next one onto my right hand knitting needle the exact same way, knit the next stitch, and then those 2 slip stitches, we're going to grab both of those at the same time and slip it over top of that knit stitch, like such. And one more time. So slip 2, knitwise 1 and 2, knit the next stitch, and then take those 2 slip stitches and we're going to pass it over top of that knit stitch. And that is how we do an S2KP, also known as a central double decrease because it does not lean left nor leans right, but we decrease by 2 stitches. If you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can feel free to email me, which will be down in the description box, or ask away in the comments as well. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.